friends, welcome back. Today very much excited because I'm trying a new thing. This is an R&D done by me. So I'm going to make a water channel block for our open loop water cooling system. Soon I'm going to make a new build from the scratch and there I'm going to use it. So first and foremost, I need to check whether the water channel block works or not. So for an experiment purpose, I have made this water channel block. It's not very good, not shiny, because due to some mistakes from the CNC router and the thickness of our acrylic, something went very wrong. And the thing which went wrong was when we have cut this, the entire back sheet was tear apart. As our acrylic was just 9 mm and it was stated to us that it was 10 mm, I have kept the depth of 8 mm, and due to the 8 mm depth, the back layer was very thin and it just tear apart. So we have came up with a new technique. So I have added one piece of acrylic from behind. As you can see, I have glued this up, so there are some marks, but it's okay for our experiment purpose. And in our final build, we'll be doing it in a proper way. We'll measure all the acrylic material which we have purchased, and then only we'll decide our tank depth. So this is completely CNC milled acrylic. So this will be our tank. So this is the rubber cord which will act as a sealant between our top cover and our tank. So this is a 2 mm. We have went through lots and lots of hard work for this, making into a success. I was behind it from a very long time, but was not able to do the 2 mm routing. Yeah, but finally we did it. And I have used this string as a rubber cord for sealant, and this is our top cover. The holes, I have just threaded them with this threaded tap. I'll just show you. So this is the thread tap I have used to thread this top plate. So I can now fit any G1/4 fittings on it in a proper way. As you can see, it's nice. And so this I have done. Again, I have used this tool, this threading tap, to tap this. But now I'll show you. I'm going to counter string this, and I have also threaded this so that I can use this M1/4 screw with it in this way. So our top plate lid, you can say, will be over the tank, and this will be screwed to fix it nicely. So let's get started. I'll just counter string this in front of you and then we'll assemble it. I have the pump. We'll test this. I'm testing it in front of you whether it works or not. If it works, we'll go with our next project. I'll start that very soon once this is successful. So let's get started and check this water block. I'll counter string. So in this way. Actually, previously I have threaded it, but my another tool, I am not able to get that tool. That is a counter string tool, counter string bit actually. So I'll keep this things apart. So we'll test it. First I'm going to put this lead on this, and again this way or this way. So here I'm using M4 screws. So I have just completed the fitting of this top plate, and now we'll be putting some fittings. And I'm having this D5 pump from EKWB. So I'll be testing it under pressure, because ultimately our water channel block is going to work under pressure. So that's why I'm testing it with D5 pump. So let's see whether it leaks or not. If it is bleeding, then our entire R&D goes into waste. But hope for the best. So I need to connect it. For testing purpose, actually I should not go with rigid tubing, I should have the soft tubes. I'll make the arrangement because now I need to do lots of testing. So firstly I'll fill it from here. I think that will be the better option, and I'll just connect it in this way. I'm having this color coolant, so I'll be using this for testing a little bit, otherwise I'll use water. So I'm having the distilled water with me. For that I need a, so I'm having this bottle for filling it up, so I'll get the idea how much ml this tank is having, and I've filled it up around 200 ml for this. Okay, and I'll pour some green color in it, so that a little bit, so that I can, if there is a leakage or something, I'll get to know, as the acrylic is transparent, and if I'm using the transparent okay, then I filled it up and let's check it out. I think I should use this block in this way. Oh my god, there is a leakage. What is this? A residue? Oh, there is a continuous leakage. I need to test it out. So done with it, and I think we should test it. No, it's not having any leakage as of now, so we'll just check it out, and this way or that way, let's check it out. Okay, so I have connected it, and in this way I'm just starting it. Hope for the best. If it works, it will be a new journey. Very much excited. Yes, so let's get started. Yes, the switch. Okay, then 5 4 3 2 1, let's go. It will, but yeah, the pump has started now, and as you can see, oh yeah, it's working fine. There are no leakages as of now, and under high pressure, but I need to test it for more than 24 hours on a continuous basis. I'll try to fill it up more, and as you can see from here, I'll show you from here, it's lovely, and it's working. So it's working very fine. I'll be testing it right now. I'll test it for a few hours. I think around 24 to 48 hours will be okay. If within 24 to 48 hours it is not bleeding, our test is successful. And also there are new techniques to test. They just put the air pressure and 1 meter, and they test for several hours that whether the air pressure drops or not. If the air pressure drops, there is some leakage, but I don't think there will be. But I have to rectify little things. In the final version it will be 100%, because but this was our first attempt, and in our first attempt it is successful. So that was a little experiment for water channel block. We'll be coming up with more new videos with the entire scratch build by building a water channel block. So stay tuned to our channel. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon to get the notification. Until then, goodbye.